Hello guys, how are you doing today? I hope everything is going well. Let's crack on. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix internet LAN card or DNS server issue. Actually today in the morning I have an issue about my internet connection. It was working on all other device like my mobile and laptop, but it was not working on my PC. It took more than 2 hours for solution. In fact, I was thinking in between that shall I reinstall Windows? But finally I got solution, and then I thought I should share the solution on YouTube as well so people can save their time. Internet is working properly on other devices, like your mobile phone, etc. But if it's not working on your PC or laptop, it means the problem is not in your internet connection, but problem is in your system. Wireless LAN card or DNS server is corrupt. First of all, go to your start menu or simply press Windows button on your keyboard. In the search bar, write command prompt. Right click on it and run it as administrator. Now write a command ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Now remove your browser history. Click on Advance and then click on All the time. Make sure all boxes are checked. As my internet is already working, I will remove basic and only past hour history. Now restart your browser. If it's still not working, it means the problem is about LAN card, not in DNS server. Go to your Windows menu. In the search bar, simply write Device Manager. Now click on Network Adapters. And then click on Wireless LAN card. As I am using Wi-Fi USB on my computer, that's why it's saying RT73 USB Wireless LAN card. But maybe yours will be changed. Simply right click on it. And now left click on uninstall. I will not uninstall as mine is also working. But when you will click on it, wireless LAN card will be uninstall. Now restart your computer. After restart, Windows will automatically install them back. And you will see your internet is working properly. If your problem is fixed, then please help me by just simply like and subscribe. Thanks.